So uyabona lo mthetho we-rhythm ukuthi usho ukuthi kwazi ukubona ukuthi izinto azihlali ziyinto eyodwa njalo, izinto ziyafa zifelane only for them to be reborn. Whilst those things are reborn, they are not reborn zikwi-state esinjani esi-inferior, zizalwa kwi-state esi-better. Yabo? Zizalwa kwi-state esi-better. Ayikho-ke into emhlabeni engayilandeli leyo pattern ya birth, death and rebirth. That is why kuthiwa sizalwa nabanye, sikhula nabanye, sifa nabanye. Yabona? Ngezathu ukuthi uyabona empilweni yakho, ngikubekele kanje lento le. Ngikubekele kanje. Angithi uyabona ke siqale nje la kwi-nature, asiqale kwi-nature. Ukubone kwi-nature ukuthi kukhona imini, angithi. Bese imini izohlulwa ubusuku, angithi. Brenda Musa, you can share. Can I share with what you said, just what I needed today? Oh, angazi ukuthi ufuna ukurequest, you can request by the after I have finished articulating, or maybe is it too urgent? Okay, let's get you maybe for that little 5 minutes, Brenda. Not for so long. Maybe I think yes, Brenda. Siyabingelela sibingelela.
Hi Prof, ninjani family?
Siyaphila unjani wena?
Siyaphila. Prof, with what you just said now, something happened to me today. Actually, I'm even shaking as I speak. I didn't do anything. I'm like speechless with how everything turned out. I think last time I shared you about the business that I wanted to do, ukuthi ngenze kanjani. There is a place, a busy place, like a small street, I will say it. I think everyone know, abanye bayazi small ukuthi kutholakala yonke indawo. Bengifuna indawo that is extremely busy. So ngangifuna leyo ndawo, but bengingazi ukuthi ngizoyithola kanjani, because mostly it dominator ngabantu ababuya ngaphandle like eMozambique.